It's not growing from the tree trunk,
Grows
right?
on the ground at the base of all the hardwood trees. Do you see all the hardwood tree?
There's a
But it's at the base of the tree, not just somewhere there.
Probably has a tree root, maybe,
It must
underground.
be a coral mushroom, maybe.
No, it's not cool.
This is not a coral? What is it then?
I don't know.
I mean, it could be a relative of the cauliflower mushroom.
It doesn't look like an eastern cauliflower mushroom. Because like an eastern cauliflower mushroom looks grainy.
Posted to the expert group on Facebook, right?
Yes, this looks looser and fluffier, right? Than the cauliflower mushroom. In this beech tree rich forest, also oak trees.